Hello. Today, Jamaica, also known as hibiscus tea. One of my favorite things.
Look at that color. That is gorgeous.
So I've been making Jamaica for about 15 years or so. I first learned to make it in Chicago, and it is one of my favorite drinks. I make it a bit stronger than what you'll find here in Mexico or even Chicago. It is something that you've probably had. Hibiscus is used as a substitute for more expensive ingredients in cranberry juice cocktail, in pomegranate juice. Anything with pomegranate juice, if it's not 100% juice, they've substituted hibiscus. So it's everywhere, and it is wonderful. It is a great base for a number of recipes that you can make. It's like music. It adds a bass note that you may not recognize, but you'll notice it when it's gone. So this is my hibiscus tea recipe. And I've been making this, like I said, for 15 years. And it is foolproof. It's just hibiscus, cinnamon, ginger, and water. And sugar. Okay, I've turned off the heat, and I've added the hibiscus flowers, and now I'm going to let it steep. You do not want to boil the hibiscus flowers themselves. It gets bitter and slightly metallic if you boil them too long. So I find it's better just to toss them in and let it steep for 30 minutes or an hour. It doesn't really matter. In fact, I think it's better if you just let it steep for a period of time. Okay, now we've let it steep. It's been about an hour now, and everything is looking good. We're going to strain this through a colander, filtering out the heavier particles. And you can see the flowers have swollen, and there's going to be some pretty nasty gunk. Anyway, so go ahead and let that drain. Watch where you do this. Everything will be stained red. Anyway, so once you get that strained, we'll pour it off into a pitcher. Now I'm planning on making 4 liters. So this is concentrated. So once this gets strained a second time, I end up with a little bit over a liter. You can see the markings there on the side. So that middle dot is 1.5 liters. You could drink it right now as the concentrate, but it's just a little bit too intense for me. So I cut it by half. 1 gallon is 3.8 something. I believe it's 3.87 liters. So it's close enough to 4, and you can just top it off with a little bit extra water. You could dilute it again by another half, and it would still have the fruity taste. That's why hibiscus is used so much in fruit juice and teas, and as a replacement for more higher cost ingredients like pomegranate or berries. It has that flavor profile that just works with a variety of different fruit flavors. So here I am, just topping off 2 liters I had. It helps to have 2 funnels if you're going to do a batch this big. And so just get it even, and then after you get it to where you think you're good to go, fill it up with a little bit more water, and then it's golden. This makes a great base for sangria, for punch. You can freeze parts of this and then use that as your ice, and it keeps the concentration without watering it down. It works for a lot of things. Anyway, hasta.
Look at that color. That is gorgeous. It's pretty, sweet, tart. Yeah, it's perfection.